Welcome back to my channel. Today we are unboxing the Summer Mystery Box from Private Society. Now this retails for roughly $200 worth of products. They usually sell it on their site for, I think it was $75, which is still a really good deal. So I did get 2 mystery boxes. The second one is a giveaway, and I will give you information about how to enter at the end of this video. So let's go ahead and see what I got. Alright, so I did pull everything out of the box already because the box was big and they didn't separate the 2 mystery boxes, so I had to manually separate the 2. So, first item we got is the Get Set Face Powder, and this is translucent. This is cruelty-free, and there is a 24-month use right here. Now I already have one of these open, so I am going to keep this closed, and I am probably, well actually I can take it out of the box. I'm going to keep this as a backup because it's face powder, and do I need to say more? Okay, so this is what the powder actually looks like, and I do absolutely like this powder. I have one open that I'm using and I really do enjoy it, so this is going to be my backup face powder. Alright, so the next thing we got here is Multitude 3-in-1 Matte Double-Ended Liquid Lip. So what this is one end's going to be a liquid lip and the other end a gloss. Let's go ahead and open it and see the color we got here. Let's see if it's on the package first. Okay, this is Heaven and Halo. So this is what it looks like. It's a nice pretty purple color. And swatching. Okay, so there it is. Very pretty. Really like that color. Both of them. Like, I don't know if it's picking up on here on the camera, but that is like a lavender sheen to it. Alright, so let's go ahead and move on to the next thing. The next thing we got here is a contour, double-ended contour stick, and I do have one of these, and I have a back one up one already. So this one is probably going to either go into a giveaway or I'm gonna pass this along to someone. That is what it looks like. It's very sleek, very nice. So you got that end, which could really be a concealer, and then that end is your contour. Alright, next item is Long Lasting Lip Liner in shade Wicked. That is the package. Love the keys. Okay. So here is the container for it, which I really like. I think it's very sleek and very pretty. And there is the color of the lip liner. It's a nice kind of brick red color. Really like it. Next we have a Pro Liquid Eyeliner in black. Now I do have a black one already, but I am using it up. I know I have a drawer of black ones, but I really like their black liner, so I am going to keep that. Okay, so next we have Lipology, which would be their gloss. And this is in shade Malibu. That is a really pretty color. It's almost a nude pink. Let's go ahead and swatch that. There is the pink. Very pretty. Alright, and there is another lip here. This is Ratchet Red, and this is their liquid lip. I'm going to go ahead and swatch that next to the gloss so we can compare the two. There is the red, and again that red is called Ratchet Red. And you know what? Those colors go together. The liquid lipstick, the gloss, and the lip liner, they all really look good together. Let me put that back on so you can see. Okay, see, you've got your lip liner, liquid lip, and gloss, so that layers beautifully together. Okay, so there are a couple more items in the mystery box. There is a palette. This is the Smoke Show palette, and I have reviewed this one, so If you want to see what that looks like, go ahead and check out that video. I put all of the colors on my eyeballs like I usually do, so yeah. So this one here, I'm probably just going to stick this into the fall giveaway. And last palette is the Glow Getter palette, and I'm thrilled because I have the second one, and I got the second one twice. So this is the first one, which I don't have. So let's see if I can open this up and we will take a look at it. Okay, so this is the palette and the beautiful colors. See that? There you go. I'm going to swatch that on my hand so you can see all the beautiful shimmers. Alright, so those are the highlights swatched. Do you see that? Yeah, I have some excitement there. That is really pretty. I'm really liking these two here the most. But they're all really pretty. So that is it of what is in my Private Society mystery box. Again, I do have an extra box that is a giveaway. If you want to know how to enter that giveaway, there is a link below. My giveaways are currently US only. I'm hoping to open them back up internationally by the time I start doing the winter ones. I don't know. It really depends on multiple factors, mainly COVID and different postal systems. So fingers crossed, prayers, thoughts, all of that wonderfulness. But this one, again, US only. Follow the link below. Leave a comment below telling me your favorite item in this box. Leave the first part of your email with the @ sign so I can verify that you entered both a comment as well as followed the link to verify that way as well. Otherwise, that is it of this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want more content like this. Otherwise, I hope to see you in my next video.